Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1956 Chevrolet 210. Great car, guys. I've driven this car a couple times. This is just a good quality car. Factory Matador red. This is the original color for this car. I think they added a little more red to it. I think this is, I think it was a little more orangey from the factory. It was originally a charcoal interior, and they replaced that with a two-tone charcoal and ivory, which I love. Good upgrade, I think. But good car. I bought this car locally from a guy. I think he said he had it 2 years. It's funny though, he actually talked to the guy who built this car, and I knew him. So it's just a small world in the classic car business. But good car. It has, I think, 8,900 miles on a frame-off restoration. It has the oxidized primer floors underneath it. Very nicely done. Great driver, guys. I mean, you want to talk about something that hits the road really nice. I mean, this thing shifts out good, really drove out good, slick paint. It's got brand new 18 and 20 inch chrome Americans with brand new ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Just a nice car. And if you know me, if you've watched my videos before, I love 56s. Little stone peck there, little bug there, it'll come off. I think 56, I love them, and I think it's because you just don't see them. Brand new bird, I think this is new, this is original, you can kind of pick at that, but almost all the other chrome was replaced on the car when they did the resto. I think he said the resto was about 10 years old, and you can see the chrome up here is nice, bumpers are nice. Pretty car, man. It's got tinted glass, smoke side glass, which is really nice. It's got the wipers work, and I think they're actually still vacuum. It's a pretty car. Love the 56 taillights. This piece here you kind of pick at a little bit. Car sits good, nice and straight down the sides. Like I say, all that chrome, almost every piece of chrome has been replaced. New rubber, new wheels. Not a big fan of those tips, but it's actually got dual exhaust with stainless mufflers. Got a good sound to it. You're seeing that. It's just got little water drops or something. That's a good looking car right there. It's got, yeah, this is the one mark that you kind of really pick in the paint, but they all got something somewhere, man. I've been doing this stuff, guys, since I was 18 years old, and I have personally bought and sold over 7,000 of these things, and I tell everybody, I've yet to see a perfect one. This is a good looking car. Front disc brakes. It's got drop spindles on the front. Good running 327 underneath the hood here. It's got a Muncie M21 4-speed manual trans. Got that K&N air filter and the cleaner. Billet valve covers. Aluminum Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got a direct fit aluminum radiator with a 6-blade fan. Manual steering, but it does have the quicker ratio box on it, so it steers out real good. Power disc brakes. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifold. It's got the Pertronix ignition system in it. Yeah, it's just a good car, man. Like I say, really hit the road good, shifted out nice. He said when they did the resto, they went completely through the front suspension. Clutch, pressure plate, all that stuff was new. A couple little touch-up marks. I think the paint code is 697, which is Matador red. Chrome mirrors, door handles were replaced. I think other than that, those V's, I think most of this trim is all brand new. Door seams are nice and clean. I love the two-tone charcoal and ivory interior. It's got the right Daytona carpet in it. I do have mats for it. They're red. That's just a little pollen, guys. They're red. I'm not a fan of them. I told the guys put them in the trunk. I don't like them, but they'll go with the car. Hurst shifter. Nice interior, like I say, very comfortable. It's got aftermarket seat belts in it. Stock big steering wheel. It's got the old Mooneye tach in it. 8920 on your odometer, if you can see that. Factory dash. Blower motor worked. Parking brake works. Got some aftermarket gauges. It's got a Retrosounds radio in it. He said they put 6x9 speakers in it. Again, love the smoke glass. That's really cool. And the whole bottom of the car is oxidized primer. You can put mirrors under it and show it. Stock rear end. It's got a 355 limited slip put in it. Factory jack with spare is in the trunk. I don't like the red rubber mats. That's why I didn't put them in there, to be honest with you. But the black ones, I think the only one company had them in stock. They want $269 for them. Just couldn't pay that for them. Shop around at a car show or something to get a set of black ones. It's bad enough I pay $160 for all the other ones, but I don't like the carpeted in the manual shift ones. You see how nice that car is underneath. The car's slick. I don't like the carpeted ones in the manual shift cars because I feel like they slide a little bit, and you're seeing that. That is just a fingerprint. Yep. They kind of slide around a little bit when you're shifting, and I just think that's dangerous. So I've never been a big fan of carpet carpeted mats in this kind of carpet in here. This is a nice car. Again, I love the 56s. You just don't see them. You see a ton of 55s and 57s. You see it. They did a nice job restoring this car. You just don't see the 56s. Dual chrome mirrors. Put a bug on there. Nice little cam to it. It's got nice to low. Everything opens and closes real nice. That's why I'm a big fan of the post cars. I feel like they're sturdy. I like this. Tach works. All your gauges work. Parking brake does work. Again, everything opens and closes real nice. Again, the wipers do work. They're vacuum operated. They're a pain. As you go down the road, they actually work better. I don't know if Nathan's ever going to work with vacuum wipers. I hope we're going to have to check that left turn signal. Yeah, left turn signal. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Nathan in there is 6'4". He'll struggle to shift this car a little bit. His knee, that big steering wheel will get in the way of his knee. That car nice and flat. It's got a good look to it, man. Have a great day, guys.